Thank you so much for joining me today. Roll out your yoga mat, have a yoga strap today, and you don't even necessarily need a yoga strap. You're more than welcome to use a belt, a dog leash, or perhaps a tie from your robe. Anything can be used for our stretches today. That's just something like this. I'm just using my dog's leash. From any comfortable seat, we're going to start off with 3 deep breaths together. You're more than welcome to lay down if you would like. And before we start, just remember that whenever we stretch, we never want to push ourselves past what feels good. We just want to find positions in our stretches that feel good rather than intense. If anything causes any pain or discomfort whatsoever, I encourage you to please skip it or modify accordingly. Let's go ahead and find our deep breaths. So again, from any seat or perhaps laying down, softly close the eyes and let go of the belly and the chest. Find a deep inhale through your nose, guiding the breath into the belly, into the chest. Part the lips and exhale through the mouth like you're fogging up a mirror. 2 more like that if that felt good. Inhale through the nose, guide the breath into the belly, into the chest. Part the lips and exhale, release. 1 more, this time go at your own pace. Come back to the natural breath and take a moment to focus on at least one thing that you're grateful for today. Softly flutter the eyes open and lower the glutes down to the earth. Extend the legs out straight in front of you. Go ahead and find your yoga strap and take it to the soles of your feet. Bend your knees deeply. Go ahead, hold on to opposite ends of your strap and lengthen all the way from the base of the spine up towards the cervical spine. Slowly straighten out the legs and keep the spine long, elongating from the tailbone to the crown of the head, and then bend the knees. Flex the feet, draw toes up and back towards the shins, creating dorsiflexion. Straighten the legs and bend the knees. Really nice work. 1 more. Straighten the legs and bend the knees. Good. Come to lay down on your back. Bend the knees. Place the soles of the feet on the floor. Really nice. Lift up just the right foot and keep that right knee bent. Take the middle of the strap to the bottom of the right foot. Straighten out the right leg, flexing toes, drawing them up and back towards the shin. Keep that right ankle active. Completely straighten out the right leg to keep the stretch in the hamstrings rather than the piriformis. This will be a subtle action, but press your right hip bone forward away from your chin to keep your hips level. If you have more to give, just a maybe, not a have to. Remember to listen to your body. You could slowly straighten out the left leg, flex the left foot. And if you have even more, of course, you can draw the toes closer to the forehead. Most of us are gonna have that right heel forward a little bit more. Again, we just wanna find a good stretch, not an intense one. And breathe. Everyone's body will look a little bit different in stretches, which is perfectly common and very, very okay. 1 more deep breath here. Take both ends of the strap into the right hand. Bring the left hand to the left hip point and slowly guide the right foot over to the right side, maybe just a little or maybe a lot. keep your left sit bone on the floor. So if it just lifted, you know to lift the right foot higher. And slowly float that right foot back up. Bend the right knee, lift the left foot up into the middle of the strap, bend the left knee, and lower the right sole of the foot to the mat, bend the right knee. Really nice. And now we can hold on to the strap with both hands, straighten out the left leg. Make sure that you're not hyperextending here. So if you're the type of individual where the back of your left knee goes out more than your leg, just keep it straight. But most of us won't have to worry about that. Flex the left foot, draw toes up and back towards the shin. Again, subtle action, but draw that left hip bone forward away from the chin, just maybe a centimeter or two, just to keep those hips level. Lower back and shoulder blades stay rooted down to the earth. If you have more to give, again, just a maybe, not a have to, straighten out the right leg, guide it down, and flex the right foot. If you have more to give, of course, tippy toes can draw closer to the forehead, but don't push yourself. Stay where it feels best on your hamstring. And find slow, deep breaths here. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Take both ends of the strap into the left hand. Bring the right hand to the right hip point and slowly guide the left foot over to the left side, maybe just a little. Keep the feet flexed, or maybe a lot. Right sit bone stays rooted down to the floor, and find your breath. Keep those hips active, trying to keep them level to the best of your ability. Slowly float that left foot back up towards center. Bend the left knee, move your strap. Bend both knees, pull them into your chest, giving yourself a little break, and softly sway from side to side in Uttanasana, massaging the sacrum and lengthening the spine. Good. Rock up into a seat. And extend the legs straight out in front of you. For some of us, even just staying seated with legs straight is too much, and that's perfectly fine. You can just bend your knees a little here. Find your yoga strap, and taking the strap in both hands, lift the hands up to the sky. Keep your lower back straight, fold from your hip creases, not from the waist, from those hip creases. And then you can draw the hands down, take the strap to your feet, flex feet, draw toes up and back. Again, straighten that lower back and fold forward. Maybe just a little, maybe a lot. That will look different for all of us. And notice here, when we're keeping the lower back straight, sometimes most of the time, we get a really nice stretch on the hamstrings, even if we're just folding a little bit. And we're just utilizing this strap to get that stretch. Slow and deepen your breath to calm the nervous system. Again, knees can be bent here. You're not stretching past what feels good on your body. Bend the knees, move your strap. Bend the knees deeply, hug your shins, and allow the chin to round in. Send the hands back behind you. Lean the heart back, open through the collarbones, and tilt the chin up a few inches higher than normal. Thank you so much again for joining me today.